Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavati Ammal, Assistant Professor AIDS Department, CRA 332, Subject Title Drone Technologies, Unit-4, Topic name is Drones in Insurance Sector. Drones are revolutionizing the insurance industry by streamlining operations, enhancing risk assessment, and improving customer service. Here's an in-depth look at their roles: claims processing and damage assessment, post-disaster inspection. Following natural disaster, drone can survey large areas quickly, capturing high-resolution images and videos of damage. This allows insurers to assess claims without delay and without needing adjuster to enter hazardous areas. Then faster payout. By collecting detailed visual of damage, drones enable insurers to process claims faster than leading to quicker settlements of policyholder. Then risk assessment and underwriting. Property evaluations. Drones can inspect building, rooftop, and surrounding environments in real time, providing accurate information to support underwriting. Insurer can access structural conditions, potential hazard, and environmental risk, tailoring policy accordingly. Accurate premium. Drones help gather data on property conditions that would otherwise be difficult or costly to collect, enabling insurers to set fairer and more customized premiums. Fraud detection, documentation and transparency. Drones provide a clear, verifiable record of property condition before and after an incident. This helps reduce fraudulent claims by offering indisputable visual evidence. And cost savings, reduce need for manual inspection. Drones minimize the need for ladder, scaffolding, and other costly inspection tools, cutting down on both time and labor cost. Then efficiency in large scale event. After a widespread disaster, drones can inspect multiple properties in a fraction of time it would take for manual assessments, allowing insurers to respond to a higher volume of claims. Then improved customer experience. Quick and transparent process. Drones help streamline inspection and claim process, enabling insurer to communicate more effectively with policyholder and deliver faster settlements. Enhanced trust. The ability to provide visual proof of inspections and assessments fosters the transparency and build trust with the policyholder. Advanced data analytics and insight. Predictive analysis. Data collected from drones combined with the AI allow insurers to predict maintenance need and detect patterns in damage, which can lead to proactive risk management. Then integration with the IoT. Drones can be used in conjunction with IoT sensor, gathering data that provide a comprehensive view of risk and conditions for real-time monitoring and predictive analysis. Challenges in drone use: regulatory complaints, data privacy and security, skilled workforce. In summary, drones are transforming insurance by improving accuracy, reducing cost, and enhancing customer service. As technology advances, the role of drone is likely to grow, making them integral to the insurance industry futures. Thank you.